Hey UMBC, it's Kat yet again here with another round of Kickboxing Plus. In today's Kickboxing Plus, we are going to be doing those cardio kickboxing inspired movements. Plus, we're going to be throwing in some resistance tubing. So resistance tubing, it does come in various strengths and how much resistance you're going to get out of it. So I have 3 different bands here. If you do not have a resistance tube like this, maybe you have a hip band, the one that looks more like a closed circle rubber band, you can grab that, and a set or 2 of dumbbells. Other than that, have a nice clear space. Double tie your sneakers so you don't have to worry about pausing mid-workout to do that. If you do need to pause mid-workout though, hit that pause button, get what you need, come right back. Some water, and let's get started. With the warm-up, roll your shoulders back, open up your chest. During this entire workout, you can move at your own pace. I'm gonna have music playing in the background. You do not have to worry about matching the beat. Sometimes in our movements, I may find it though. It just happens. Toes forward, chest up, squat down and up. Weight in the heels. Just think about getting that movement down and up like you're sitting in a chair. Pressing through the floor, bringing yourself up off the ground. Legs come a little bit wider, guard up, 2 fist thumbs, twist side to side. So you're lifting the heel, releasing it, which you're going to want to do when we get into those kickboxing motions. So we're going to prevent any knee issues here. Side lunge, sink, and then other side. Weight in the heel, hip shifting back. Bending the right knee, stretching out the left inner thigh, the adductor, and the right. One more, make it even. Hip opener, right to left. Again, you don't have to match me, but you can always take that second if you feel you're one off to make it even right and left. Opening up the hip. We're gonna go into a little bit of cardio, jump rope. So light balls to the feet. If you don't want to jump, as always, you don't have to. Your workout, your body. Listen to it. Whatever it's telling you. We're gonna come back to your mat. I'm coming to the side, legs wide, roll yourself down, walk out to a plank, shoulders over wrists, walk back, roll it up, hips push back, knees a little bent, crawl it out, weight on those shoulders, fingers spread like starfish, bring it back, back to the center of your mat, jumping jacks. Same deal, if you don't want to jump, you know it. Otherwise, arms big, legs big. Bring your legs nice and wide, toes to the corners, reach down and up. Nice big sumo squat position. So going legs to the core to the arms. Woo! One more. All right, grab that resistance tubing if you have it. I'm gonna grab, do one first one. If you have a resistance band, the one that's more closed circle, you can put that around your calves. Otherwise, step into this. Cross the handles, a little more resistance, shoulders back. Left knee, a little bend soft. Flex the right foot. 3, 2, 1. Give me a squat. Same side, right side. 3, 2, 1. Give me a squat. Flexing that foot so toes point up. Kicking out to that band with the blade edge of that foot. Balancing on the left. Finding nice, tall height. Chest stays up as you squat. Ooh, outer thighs. Ooh, and the glutes going right there, okay. in between so you can get in and out of the bands if you have it. Hips, a little bit more to the corners here. 2 fists, thumbs outside. Outside your jaw and your cheek to protect. We've got 3 jabs front, 1 cross from the back. 3 jabs, 1 cross. You can go as slow or as quick as you want to go. Rotating that fist so you're looking down those knuckles to punch your opponent in the nose and the mouth. Your opponent is your height that you're aiming for. Rotate that back hip as you cross. Cross. Breathing and exhaling into that punch. Rotate that fist. All right, back to that banded movement. If you have that close circle hip band, put it around those calf areas. Otherwise, step into the tubing. And if you don't have anything, body weight. That also works. Cross it for more resistance. Right knee a little bent. Flex the left foot. 3 lifts. Woo! 1 squat. Weight the heels. Soft right knee. Left foot flex. The blade, outer edge of that foot. Kicking out. So we are working those abductors in that left leg. Working the glutes. Quads in the squat. The core. Trying to keep us upright in both this movement, remember nice and tall, and in the squat. Woo. All right, band down. Back to 3 jabs and a cross. This time hips more to the right corner. 2 fists, thumbs over. Protect, little round, get a little squatty. Tiny little bit squatty. 3, 2, 1, cross. Same target in the center. Nose and mouth. Then right here, I'm kind of going with that beat. Remember, it just happens sometimes. Each time it drops, it's a big hit. But if you don't want to, focus where you're hitting, and then really turn that hip to throw that cross. 10 more seconds. Exhale. Rotate that fist, rotate it. That's the easiest part to forget. All right. Grab. I'm gonna go a little lighter here. This is a row with a kickback. So I'm going to turn to the corner. I'm going to choke up to step a little closer to one side of the handle. Right leg back, left knee bends, row up to your hip for 3. Hold that third one, tricep kickback. So 3, 2, kind of arc it up, hold it, kick it back. I'm going to choke up a little more, meaning I'm going to step closer to the handle. 3, 2, uphold, kick it back. You kind of play with it to see where your right resistance is. You can also hold both handles in one hand to really kind of add on more resistance. All right, band down. Facing more toward the front. We've got 3 right knees. Left knee comes in. Push the ball of the foot. Chamber it back and down. Give me 3. 3, 2, 1. Here's that beat. Then you may move. Whatever you do though, really try to get that knee up high. Work on the hip flexor. In, out, in. Knee up and in. Use the ball of that foot to think about kicking. Woo! A wall down. Little lean back if that feels okay. All right, grab that resistance tube back. That row. So if you didn't have this, what are you probably doing? A dumbbell. Use your dumbbell. I'm going to step again a little closer. I've got to kind of play with it. Under the right foot. Bend the knee. 3 rows. Backing up. Hold that third one. Tricep kick back. 3. Little arc back. So kind of arcing up to that hip. Elbow up. 3, 2, up and hold. I feel like I found a better level here right off the bat of how much resistance I want. So I'm going to keep it on this one. But again, if you wanted more, you could kind of level it out. Kind of put both in one hand. That's going to be a little much for me there. Woo! Or you could even double it up like that and pull it back too. Several different ways you can do it. For some of you who may have never used it before, so it can be a little kind of lesson in here as well as the workout. So when you come back, you already know what to do. 3 left knees, 1 right push kick. I'm gonna find the beat right here. 3, 2, 1. Up, up. Try to really get those knees up, crunching ribs to hips. So you are really working 360-degree core right here. Front, sides and back. Hip flexors, quads, glutes. Your mind with your balance, changing each foot. Ha! And remember, you take it slower, find your balance, whatever's good. Let's speed it up, last few seconds. Last kick. Ha! Woo, shake it out. Hip flexes, okay. I'm gonna go a little heavier resistance here, so I'm back to my orange one. This is bicep curls. So if you don't have this, you can use dumbbells. I'm gonna step wider and choking up so it's more resistance. So it's 3 curls, and on that third one, hold it 90 degrees, scap retract, and down. 3, 2, hold it 90, elbows close, in and down. So it's biceps, it's rotator cuff, it's behind the back, feeling those shoulder blades come together, 90, out, in, down. You could always do this 1 arm at a time if you needed to. Whatever you got. 3, 2, up, out, in, down. 3. You're going to see this one again shortly, because we're going to really double up on those biceps there. Okay. Hips to that left corner area. We have 3 back uppercuts, so rotating that hip. 1 front hook, having that fist slide across. 3, 2, 1, hook. 3, 2, under the chin. 1, hook, side of the face. As fast as you want to go. 3, 2, 1. Either way, those elbows come back to your sides to protect your rib cage. And going as slow or as quick to get back to biceps. So I'm going back to my orange band. I'm gonna step out a little bit more closer to those handles just so I can, again, choke up to get more resistance. 3 curls. Oh yeah, there we go. I feel even a little bit more. That third one, you hold it up and you step retract. Elbows close to the side of the waistline right here. Open up, close, down. So that scap retract, you're also holding that band to that max exertion point, that 90 degrees, right here. Woo! Squeeze, freeze, and release. 15 more seconds. Up, out, down. 1 or 2 arms. Resistance tubing or dumbbells. Whatever you got. Work these biceps. Hips to that kind of right side and corner. Those 3 back uppercuts. 1 front hook. Staying close. Going for the temple. Starting with the chin. Give up. 3, 2, 1. Hook. Practice the move first. Get it in your body. And then try to speed it up. Bringing that fist back to the side of your face to protect each time. 3, 2, 1, side. But if you need to slow it down, slow it down. But pivoting the balls of those feet, rotating those hips, powering out the floor, through your legs, to your core, to that arm. Full body. Oh, I love this one. I'm gonna go a little lighter here for this one. So this is a leg kickback. Either you could put that hip band, that closed circle around your calves, or again, resistance tube, cross it up to choke up, get more resistance. Left knee a little soft. Right toes down, flex the foot, kick up, back corner, back corner, back corner, up. So you're leading with the heel. So now you're feeling more of that glute right here. If it's too much, ease up on the band, a little less resistance. Or give it all you got here. Choking up on that band. Choking up on those glutes. Woo! Keeping that left knee a little soft here. One more. All right, plank. This is gonna be 3 punches, so it's a 3-point balance plank and 1 diagonal knee. So I'll start on my knees like a bird dog position. Take your right fist up to the shoulder. 3, 2, 1. Cross knee under. Same side each time. So on your toes. 3, 2, 1. Diagonal right knee under. 3, 2, 1. Diagonal knee under. Again, you can always go onto those knees and cross under. As slow or as quick as you want to go. Maybe that wrist is starting to bother you, so maybe do 3 punches, come up, and a knee. So you get off that left wrist a little bit. But either way, try to keep your shoulders and hips square to the floor. Whew. Up to standing. Last 2 movements. We just repeat those last 2 again. That diagonal leg kickback. So you're kind of stepping mid-foot. Cross. Woo! Cross it. soft right knee. Left toe pointing down. Kick that heel to the corner. So that means kind of that 45 degrees back. Not to the side, not straight back, to the corner. Right knee a little bent, shoulders down, core strong, belly button pulling in and up. So even though we're kicking back with the left foot, feeling that left glute, you're also feeling the right. That's what you're balancing on right here. Total body activation again. Shoulders are down. You're strong in your center, in your mind. Okay, back down to the floor. Other side. 3 punches. Cross knee. So shoulders and core right here. I'll start on my knees again for those who need it. Maybe bring your knees a little bit further back this time. So you're a little more leaned over. This time left fist, 3 punches. Left knee, under. 3 punches, notice shoulders and hips. Square to the floor. So that means I stay facing the floor. I'm not opening up to the side, toward the screen. Drop into your knees at any point, or to your forearm for whichever movement. Bringing left knee across. Woo! Exhale, this might be the last one. 3, 2, 1. Cross. Time. You are done with your actual workout portion. Bring your knees apart, big toes together. Sink back. Hips to heels. Child's pose right here. Flip your palms, rest them on your shoulders. And then take your hands, bring them over to the right side, right corner of your mat. Take your left arm over your hand. And then bring it over other side. Left corner, right hand on top, so you're feeling it through your shoulder, your back, your lat muscles here. Have a seat right here. Bring your left foot into your thigh, groin area. Flexing your right foot here, so reaching for those toes. Or maybe just hand on your leg. Maybe you can reach it, maybe you can grab the bottom of your foot. It's all flexibility right here, so we just kind of work towards it. As long as you work towards it, you're winning there. Switch. Other heel in, flexing the foot. Sometimes this can just be enough to release that calf muscle. You can kind of help give it a little tug. Or reach a little bit further into it. Get deeper in all those little muscle fibers there. That works super hard holding you up with those resistance tubings or your hip bands or your dumbbells. Soles of the feet together. Butterfly, so inner thigh stretch here. Your heels could be further away. It's more gentle, or closer into your groins. It's a little bit harder. Kind of butterfly your legs a little bit. Kind of get into the inner thighs a little more. Easy sit position. Take your right arm across your body. Dig into the forearm portion. Shoulder stretch from that plank punch. Open it up nice and wide. Left shoulder across the body. Again, on the forearm, you could hold it. You could use your other forearm to hold it back. Shoulder down. Take these hands behind your back. So So making a fist, driving it down, chest up. Good chest stretch. And then release it to go in between those shoulder blades. You might hear a little from the plank. All the way up. Whew. Bring your hands and knees into this tabletop position. Curl those toes under, hips go up and back, down dog, backs of the thighs and the back. Knees can be bent, stretching. Step your feet into your hands, roll it up one vertebrae at a time. Breathing in the nose, out the mouth. Nice deep, deep breath. Exhale sides. Deep, deep breath. Exhale toward your heart. Chin to chest. Great, great job. There we go. Thank you guys so much for joining me for Kickboxing Plus. I hope to see you again. Have a absolutely fantastic day here. Let me turn my music off so we don't start working out again here. Have an absolutely fantastic day. Like the video, comment, subscribe to UMBC Rec, and you can follow us on Instagram as well at UMBC Rec. We post fun things, what's happening on the campus and the community. If you are not a UMBC Retriever, welcome. I hope to see you again. I'll be back next week with another brand new vid for summer 2023. Bye guys.